Hello there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Try New Things, where today we're going to be doing another tool review. So I'm working on this woodworking project, and you'll have to check out the video on this when it's done to know what this is that I'm making, and no, it's not a wooden shoe. But you can see how rough the inside of this curve is. So I went to Harbor Freight the other day and I picked up a tool to help me smooth this out. Let me show you what I picked up. And here it is. Here's what I picked up. It's a 14-inch oscillating spindle sander by Central Machinery. Again, I got this at Harbor Freight. It was on sale for $159, and I got to use one of my 20% off coupons, so I ended up paying $127 for this. Now, according to the box, it says this dual action spindle rotates at 1725 RPM and goes up and down at 30. It's heavy duty 14-inch cast iron table with a dust collection port and includes 6 sanding sleeves from 1/2 inch to 3 inches. So what do you say I open up the box, show you what's inside, and then we'll try it out on our little piece of woodworking we're doing. Here it is, out of the box and all set up. You see I've got the 3-inch drum already installed because that's the one I'm going to be using on my woodworking. But there's convenient storage all the way around for all the components. There's nothing left to do at this point except for turn it on and try it out. Now I did pick up a pack of finish sanders, so I think it's 120 grit. But we'll start off with this coarse grit for what we're working on today. Let's go ahead and power this thing on and try it out. So currently I'm working with oak. Here's what one looks like before I start. All these jagged lines are from using the bandsaw. I've just run it a couple times, and the one on the right is the one from the spindle sander. So we're going to continue to sand this down and then work on the other 3. Also very quiet. I'll tell you what, this tool is a game changer when it comes to inside radius sanding. Look at that. Beautiful. So I can't believe I've gone this long without an oscillating sander, to be truthful. This thing was so easy to do a perfect job on my little woodworking pieces here with that inside radius. And given the small diameters up to 3 inches, there's a lot of applications where this is going to come in tremendously handy for me. Again, Harbor Freight is where I got it. They always offer up some great sales, especially this time of year. And if you can get your hands on one of those single item coupons, you can walk out the door with this for a reasonable price. Again, $127 is what I paid, worth every single penny. But anyway, I think we're going to wrap up the video right there. I just wanted to show you the latest tool that we're adding to the TNT shop, and it's a really good ad. If you want to see what these turn into, be sure to hit subscribe so you can see when that woodworking project video hits the streets. But anyway, as always, if you got any questions or comments about the oscillating sander or anything whatsoever, leave them in the description below. I love taking the time to read those. Don't forget to hit the old thumbs up button before you leave, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye. So now we're going to take a quick break to thank this week's sponsor. And this week's sponsor, like every week's sponsor, is me, Chris Gladstone with TNT Try New Things, where I have started a new website link partnering with Buy Me a Coffee is an opportunity for you to check out some of the items I have for sale that you have probably watched the videos on me making. It's also an opportunity to sponsor the channel directly, either through buying me a coffee, or if you're feeling particularly generous, signing up for an annual membership. With that, I'm going to go back to the video.